Mabuhay! It's Teacher Joy, and today we're going to check our 5 items assignment in civil service exam. So, please watch this video kasi sa dulo ay may sasabihin ako sa inyong importanteng information. So, dapat lahat makakaalam, okay? But for now, please don't forget to like and subscribe para updated kayo sa mga next na videos natin. And of course, our enrollment is still going for licensure exam for teachers this September, and for civil service exam naman this August. Open pa po ang ating group review. So, if you have time na gusto nyo pang mag-review, message lang po kayo sa aking FB account, and enrollment is still going para maging part pa din po kayo ng ating uh, final coaching. Okay, let's start with number 71. So, English. I managed to blank the price of the car. A bit up, B bit down, C bit on, D bit out, E bit in. Okay, so this kind of question ay hahanap tayo ng correct and suitable na words para sa ating sentence. So, I managed to blank the price of the car. Ano ba dapat dyan? We're talking about the price. And the correct answer is letter B, beat down. So, the phrasal verb beat down means to successfully negotiate or bargain with a seller to reduce the price of an item. So, ito din yung ginagawa natin, no? Kapag bibili tayo ng mga paninda sa palengke, tayo ay nagbabargain, tayo ay nagni-negotiate sa seller if meron pa bang if meron pang bawas, no? Ang tawag sa amin dito ay ayo. So, yun. Ayo. So, meaning, ayo means babawas pa ng presyo. So, beat down. I managed to beat down the price of the car. Letter B ang ating tamang sagot. Beat up, guys. Ang ibig sabihin ng beat up ay physically assault someone or describe something in a very poor condition. So, beat up meaning you mock someone because of their physical condition. Beat on means to strike repeatedly. Parang hahampasin mo siya, ganon. Beat out means to narrowly defeat a competitor. Beat in means to drive something inward by striking it. So, yung the rest ng mga options natin ay more on physical, direct physical, assault. So, yung price lang na tinutukoy dito is beat down. Beat down the price of the car. Okay, let's move on. Number 72. I try to blank negative thoughts and focus on the positive. A block in, B block on, C block off, D block down, E block out. Okay, so ano yung phrasal verb na tama? I try to blank negative thoughts and focus on the positive. So, ayaw niya ng mga negative thoughts. So, mag-focus na lang siya sa mga positive. Ano yung tama? Block Blackout, letter E, blackout. So, ang blackout ay hindi lang ginagamit sa kapag nawalan tayo ng kuryente, no? May power interruption. Nagsasabi tayo, I blackout, no? Ganun. Blackout can be used in a different sentence, just like this one. So, blackout means to actively stop yourself from thinking about or feeling something unpleasant, effectively filtering it out of your mind. So, kung ikaw na tao at ayaw mo na may iisipin kang negative at you will focus on the positive side lang, no? You will black out those negative thoughts on your mind. So, black out. Letter E. Okay, so may sumagot ba ng block in? Block in means to obstruct a vehicle or object so it cannot move. So, block in more on objects. So, yung thoughts natin ay hindi naman yun object. Block off, meaning to physically close or barricade an area like a street. I-close mo yung area para walang may vehicle na mag-ride, no? Or dumaan. So, yun. You block off. Black on and black down are not standard English phrasal verb that fits in the context. So, black out ang ating tamang sagot. Letter E. 73. The new management will blank the project. A. Carry forward. B. Carry off. C. Carry out. D. Carry away. E. Carry on. The new management will blank the project. Carry, ito yung pinaka-easy. Carry, mostly naririnig natin ito, di ba? Kapag mga project or proposal, carry out, letter C, guys. Letter C. Carry out. So, carry out meaning i-prefer mo siya, i-execute mo siya, or you will complete or implement a task or a project. So, if may gusto kang i-implement, i-complete, i-execute, you will carry out the project. So, letter C ang ating tama. So, the new management will carry out the project. Why others are incorrect? Incorrect. Carry forward means to transfer a figure or test to a future page, time, or financial column. Carry forward, ita-transfer mo siya. Carry off means to succeed in doing something difficult or to win a prize. Carry off meaning from a difficult situation, nanalo ka. Carry away, 'di ba? Madalas natin 'tong sinasabi na carried away lang ako. So nadala ka ng emosyon mo, na carried away ka. Carry on means to continue doing an activity. So ang ating tamang sagot ay carry out means to perform, execute or complete a task. Letter C. Let's go number 74. I am blank a cold. A fighting out, B fighting off, C fighting on, D fighting it out, A fighting away. I am blank a cold. So nilalabanan mo yung lamig. Anong tamang sagot diyan? So ang tamang phrasal verb ay fighting off, letter B, guys. Fighting off. Fighting off, ibig sabihin, to defend yourself against an illness. Labanan mo yung sakit mo, yung infection, yung disease, so that your body can recover or prevent it from getting worse. So, fighting off. I am fighting off a cold. Okay, so fighting out and fighting it out means to struggle or argue until a decisive conclusion or winner is reached. Wala siyang kinalaman sa sentence. Fighting on naman means to continue a struggle despite of a hardship. Fighting away is not a standard phrasal verb for illness. So, ang tamang sagot for illness, labanan mo ang taglamig, labanan mo sakit, no? It's fighting off. I am fighting off a cold. Letter B ang ating tamang sagot. Okay, now let's move on. Number 75. Stop and focus on your work. A. Pulling off. B. Fooling about. C. Fooling around. D. Fooling with. E. Fooling on. Stop and focus on your work. Anong ibig sabihin nito? Meaning, kung ano man yung ginagawa mo, no? Huwag mong i-waste yung time mo. Maging responsible ka and avoid doing a serious work. So, fooling around. Letter C ang ating tamang sagot naman dito. Letter C. Stop fooling around and focus on your work. Ibig sabihin, no, do not waste time. So, focus ka lang sa kung ano yung ginagawa mo. So, yun. Letter C ang ating tamang sagot. So, yun lang guys. Thank you so much and for listening and for watching. Huwag po muna kayong please watch kasi may susunod pa akong video dito. No, i-insert ko siya. And this is my announcement. So, if you watch this video, kindly relay this sa group chat, sa review group na meron tayo. No? Thank you so much. So, panoorin na lang ninyo. Okay? Hi everyone, it's Teacher Joy. So, I would like to have my words right now and announcement sa lahat para aware kayo kung ano na yung nangyayari. So, at this moment of time, nagagamit ko yung Facebook ko, but sa Messenger, I cannot send a message, although nakikita ko yung message nyo, but I cannot send a reply or do anything sa Messenger ko. So, actually, we tried to fix it for more than 3 times, pero sadly, nauulit lang talaga siya. Once na na-confirm na yung identity, I need na naman mag-appeal sa Facebook, ganon, back, and ganon. So, it's a cycle na nauulit at nauulit na lang talaga. So, I don't have any idea if I break some rules by Meta. Sa pagkakaalam ko, super duper strict talaga sila, no? And I am so sorry for that. It's not on my control. Kung ako lang sana, no, gustuhin ko na maganda yung flow ng review natin. But the least I can do is to have a lectures, a final coaching na lang sa ating YouTube channel. So, this week at sa susunod pang mga days or weeks, please stand by and watch time to time sa aking YouTube channels kasi doon na lang po ako mag-give ng lectures, ng final coaching and everything, no? Kasi wala tayong asahan sa messenger ko sa ngayon, and I don't know kasi nababalik siya, nagiging okay, and then nagkakaroon na naman ng issue. So, I don't know what to do na talaga. So, ayan lang. Sa mga nakapanood ng video ito, please paki-chat sa GC natin. Please relay this information to everyone so that they are aware or on when and where they will review for the meantime. So again, stand by and check nyo yung aking YouTube channel kasi doon ako mag-a-upload starting today hanggang sa August or September na reviewhan, no? So, doon na lang ako mag-video and mag-lectures and mag-give ng final coaching. So, I hope you understand because even myself, I am worried and desperate to give you the review smoothly, but I can't control everything. I don't have any control of it. So, ayun. So, sana hoping na maging okay pa. Ayun, thank you so much, guys, for understanding and for unending love and support. Thank you and God bless.